A very good afternoon to all of you, respected school owners, principals, revered panelists, friends from media, and my dear MBTians. We gathered here today not only to celebrate this milestone event, but to pay tribute to our beloved founder father, Shri Ashok Kumar Mahindra. He started his journey 70 years back from a small bookshop. And today, MBD Group is a conglomerate of various verticals: publishing, printing, edtech, hospitality, reality, outdoor catering, design and construction. Founder father always wanted to make products for the mass. He always believed in giving the bestest solutions, the products at very affordable price. We are, in fact, the only publishers who are delivering educational products for all classes, all subjects, all major boards, all major languages in India, and we have a strong international presence also. Under hospitality, year after year, we have been awarded as the best hotel, performing hotel by Carlson Group and other platforms. And I'm very happy to share with you that recently we have signed a master franchise agreement under which MBD is going to develop India region for Edison Red and Redison collection. Recently went to IPA, it is the International Publisher Association Congress in Malaysia. I got reminded of that how they regarded our founder father once. Just to put in correct perspective, IPA is represented by nearly 85 countries, 107 member organizations. All put together, they are serving to nearly 5.6 billion people. They awarded our founder father with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Such a stature, such a human being, but so humble. Many awards, many achievements, huge successes, many stories, but very humble. He used to say, don't gauge yourself only with the profits and with the numbers which you have done. You know, when sometimes me and my sister used to travel with him, so that was the time when we used to connect more so. He said that what I want to remain with you and with my people is gauge yourself, your success with the ability of the number of people you can bring positivity to. You can become the reason of their happiness. And he also said very important thing along with that. That while doing such act of kindness or doing any such deed, don't put yourself in the position of power. Remember that you're the chosen one by the Almighty to be there and for doing that deed. Be humble and be thankful for that situation. With that underlying emotion, Ashok Karya took birth, where we as a group, collectively and at individual level, MBDians are doing whatever they can in this direction to bring kindness to the humankind. We can choose to be anything. I was just reading once, you can choose to be anything. But very rare people choose to be kind. And I'm thankful that we could handpick such rare people as our panelists today. And I'm thankful to them today, wholeheartedly. They're allowing themselves there to share stories with us, their experiences, so that we can get inspired and further we can go many extra miles towards this direction. I want to wholeheartedly thank the school owners, principals, delegates, who are present here, they have helped us in our journey all throughout. कहते हैं ज्ञान का दान सबसे बड़ा दान होता है. इससे कोई एक प्रकाशित नहीं होता, अनेक प्रकाशित होता. Thank you so much for being that catalyst. I also want to share some initiatives which we have taken as a group or as Embedience we have done. Just to name a few, as Abhishek was also saying a little while before. Very close to heart is Love to Learn initiative, where we identify schools who do not have resources to digitize themselves, to adopt newer methodologies. We not only deploy the hardware, the software, the content, but we also handhold them throughout the year, train the teachers so that they can use those methodologies for the bestest outcomes. Another initiative very close to heart is Robotic Lab on Wheels. The entire world today is talking about robotics, coding, artificial intelligence. But this agitation has to start at a very ground level, at a very early age of a child. Again, realizing that not many schools can afford these kind of technologies, these kind of methodologies. Teachers are not aware how to impart teaching through those resources. So here, under Ashok Karya, we created a mobile van. We put our resources and teachers in those vans, and we have selected schools where year-long we handhold them, we impart lectures also, so that we can improvise on the computational thinking of the children. I want to show you a video over here, small.
My name is Divyansh Mishra.
My name is Shanbol Fast.
My name is Prachi.
My name is Altaf Rasool.
My name is Jhanat. My name is Mohammad Shahid Mustafa.
हमें अभी तक का रोबोटिक्स टीम ने हमें पढ़ाया, जिसमें कि हमने 3 टाइप के मॉडल बनाए, जिसमें फर्स्ट बनाया हमने आरसी कार, सेकंड बनाया रोबोटिक हैंड एंड थर्ड बनाया स्टीयरिंग कार.
मेरा फेवरेट मॉडल था सेकंड मॉडल, जिसमें रोबोटिक हैंड जो कि हेल्प करता है हैंडीकैप पीपल को कोई भी काम करने में.
और हमने इसमें सीखा कि करंट कितने टाइप का होता है, कैसे फ्लो करता है.
What is robotic? How DC motor works? Kind of electricity, kind of battery, etc.
We only know about how DC current and AC current works. But after experimenting this, we know many other things which we didn't know before.
उन्होंने हम लोगों को रोबोट्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया और हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया. उन्होंने हम लोगों से एक मॉडल भी बनवाया जो था रोबोटिक कार,
जिसमें हमें पता चला रोबोटिक कार को बनाने के 8 4x4 8 4x2.
थैंक्स टू मेरी टीम जिसने हमें इतना सब सिखाया और हमें रोबोट्स के बारे में बताया.
As I was talking before, we do many such initiatives at collectively as a group, but at personal level also, our MBDians, our HODs, they take out their personal time to have dialogues with students, different groups, so that they can make choices for future in their life. Our HODs from finance, from IT, from marketing, from hotel, different schools they have visited, they've had extensive dialogues with them, they've answered their questions, their curiosity about what their profession is like, so that they can make correct choices about life. It's not about it. My father also used to say that you can't help everyone, but all of us can help at least someone. So it's not about numbers, that how many numbers you do, how many people you are able to positively make impact on, but at least start your journey. That one person will give you eternal happiness when you are able to create that difference in his life, in his or her life. Today, being 10th July, it's my father's birthday. And as a gift to him, it's customary that we start another journey of such act of kindness. And this time, we want to gift him another initiative. Under that, we are going to distribute 25,000 science kits to 500 schools we have identified who cannot avail of such resources. Again, as I said, not just providing the resources, hand-holding the schools to use them effectively. I want to also thank each and every MBDian today who are present here or watching us online in India and in other countries. That thank you so much for living the dream of our founder father, for nurturing the seed of kindness which he has sown in all of us. Let's embark on the journey ahead again. As we saw the video that हमारे बड़े कहीं नहीं जाते, हम आपको जाने भी नहीं देंगे, हम आपका अंश हैं और आपके दिखाए हुए रास्ते पे हमेशा चलते रहें. Each one of us live each day by saying, मैं भी Ashok. We are part of you and we'll never let you go. Happy birthday, Papa, and happy birthday from everyone's side. Happy Founders Day to all of you. Thank you.